like and subscribe Anong Sayo TV po.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Cho Bo-hwa and Kim Soo-yeon. Only here on Annyeong Chika Update! Jo Bo-hwa is in talks with Kim Soo-yeon with new drama. It was reported on May 16th that Jo Bo-hwa will be starring in the new drama Knock Off, along with Kim Soo-yeon. XYZ Studio, Jo Bo-hwa's agency, responded on the report and said Jo Bo-hwa received an offer to star in Knock Off and is reviewing the offer. It is said that Knock Off is a black comedy series and depicts diverse stories about fake luxury items. The drama will be helmed by Park Hyun-soo, who is known for his hit dramas such as Forest of the Secrets 2, Uncontrollably Fond, and Song of the Bandits. It was reported previously that Kim Soo-yeon, Kim Si-eun, and Yoo Jae-myung are in talks to star in the drama. Jo Bo-hwa is offered to play the female lead. No further details has been shared yet. That's it mga kaanyong. What can you say about the possible upcoming drama
of Jo Bo-hwa and Kim Soo-yeon? Comment your thoughts below.